Good morning, everybody. It's a little after 6:30. We're up and we're getting ready to break camp. Found at the river. It was pleasant all night. It was cold, 37 degrees. I didn't realize we are at about 2,500 feet in elevation, but we're all alone. This is a perfect COVID camping. But tonight, we're gonna go find a hotel so we can get cleaned up, rest before heading over to Death Valley. That's the plan, but we don't know what it's gonna be like. As always on this trip, we make plan and we have to assess the situation once we get there. Enjoy today's vlog. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe. Thank you. So here we are, Death Valley National Park. It's 12:30 on Wednesday, the 23rd. It's now just before 1:30. We are at the Mesquite Sand Dunes. I'm not sure how far we want to go. Right now it's almost 3 o'clock. We found a spot to hang out for tonight. Now we're set up. Got a little privacy pop-up tent there. And the back is towards sunrise. Oh, the moon's up. Good thing we came when we did. We got a neighbor up the street. Actually, a couple neighbors. But they're keeping distance, which is great. And down the street, we have a tent, a green tent. It's been there a while.